Decoding the refrigerator's enigma, the thermodynamic magic. Delving into the fascinating scientific facts. Let's unravel the intricate workings of the refrigerator. The refrigerator employs the fundamental principles of thermodynamics to keep food fresh, primarily through three distinct phases. 1. Evaporation and compression. The refrigerant inside the refrigerator, typically a fluorocarbon, undergoes a phase change from liquid to gas during evaporation, absorbing heat from its surroundings. This initial cooling process causes the temperature inside the refrigerator to drop. Subsequently, through compression in the compressor, the refrigerant returns to a liquid state, releasing heat. 2. Heat exchange. As the cycles of evaporation and compression repeat, the refrigerant absorbs heat from the surrounding air or objects within the refrigerator. This continuous process contributes to the sustained reduction of the internal temperature, a crucial element in preserving the freshness of food. 3. Role of the heat pump. Importantly, the refrigerator doesn't actually make things cold, but rather pushes heat away or pumps it out, lowering the internal temperature. Through the ongoing circulation of the refrigerant, and the absorption and release of heat, the refrigerator provides the coolness we experience in our daily lives. In this way, the refrigerator utilizes the basic laws of thermodynamics, creating a scientific enchantment that keeps our food fresh for extended periods.